Hello and welcome once again to another episode of Microwave Me. Today I'm going to be doing super glue, and something tells me that before I even did it, this idea sounds like a super bad idea. So I'm going to give a disclaimer: do not ever, under any circumstances, attempt this at home. Due to some items being hard to see, I'm going to place things further back into the microwave from now on. Which goes to show if you can't see it. Well, it's unchanged, but it stinks. As Tom Dixon of Blendtec would say, super smoke, don't breathe this. But unlike on Willet Blend, the super glue did nothing, but it does stink. So my verdict: it's a really horrible idea. It don't do shit, and it just stinks up the air. Deadly idea.